Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making 3 different lemonades. Ingredients for the basic lemonade recipe: 3 glasses of water or soda, 1 lime or lemon cut in half, 70 grams sugar, you can also substitute with honey, and half teaspoon salt. This is how you make the basic lemonade recipe. Add sugar to the water and mix till completely dissolved. Then add in the salt and stir again. Roll a lemon or lime and cut in half. Squeeze the juice out of both the halves and mix in with the water. Now to make the cardamom lemonade. This recipe is for 1 glass. 1 cardamom pod crushed. Method for making cardamom lemonade. To 1 glass of the basic lemonade, add the crushed cardamom powder and stir. The cardamom lemonade is now done. It's best consumed cold. Recipe for blue lemonade. Half teaspoon blue curacao syrup. Method for making blue lemonade. Add the blue syrup to the basic lemonade and mix. This lemonade tastes best when mixed with soda and consumed cold. Now for our last lemonade, the pear lemonade. 1/4 to half a pear. 1/8 teaspoon vanilla essence. This is optional. Method for making the pear lemonade. Chop the pear into cubes. The more pear you use, the more flavor you get in your lemonade. Cook the cubes with a little water. You may add vanilla essence as well. Cover with a lid and cook. Let the pears cool down and then transfer to a mixie. Grind the pears. You may not get a fine paste due to the fibers in the pear. Using the strainer, remove the juice from the pears. Add this juice to the basic lemonade and stir. Instead of the pear, you can also add any other citrus fruit and follow the same method as we did for the pear. Our final lemonade is done. Serve cold. Like, share and subscribe to this video. Bye for now.